Okay, this is a custom-made template that's basically an informational storage log. Right now we have it set for directory username, password, web address, which is handy and actually what it's made for, but it can any names can be put here and have it stored accordingly. So this is your working slider that will control what you see here. Right now it's set to 0. That's why this is blank. This can be set for how many slots you need. 40 might be a starting average, according to how many websites you have passwords on or other locations. Excuse me. Anyway, you can set this up to 200, but right now, because it's set at 40, that's as high as this will go. Oops. Make sure this, oh, there it is. Okay. Sometimes it needs a little, you need to click on it to give it a kickstart, as they say. Okay, so anyway, this will top out at 40, unless you reset that. So basically, you rarely have to touch this, just that once you fill up your 40, you're going to need more room, so you can put it to 50 or 60, or if you want to put the whole 200, you can. I don't really see much sense in keeping all them empty slots and making the computer compute empty slots, but that's up to you. Okay, so as you can see, on the 0 settings, which I always put it back to, so when I open up my computer, it's not showing a password to somebody possibly looking over my shoulder or whatever. As we move down the line here, it will show characters, characters, numbers, and then letters. So if you have, say, 150, 200 passwords on there, you can, and you want to go to a site that starts with R, you don't have to read through all these. You can just go right to R. So I only have a few on there now, but you can see we'll just go down the line. I started off with one starting with a hashtag just to categorize it a little. And then I got plus. Then you can see a number would come up next. Say a site was called 2u.com or something. Then it'll go through your letters, whatever you may have here. So let's just say we joined a new site. We want to make a new entry. Okay, we could just hit entry. You can see you got your blanks here. It's directory, username, password. Let's say the site was called Forum was the name of it. Okay, so our username, I'm just going to put FF so we can identify it, password FFF. And the web address is, say, forum.com. Probably should put the www in there because I'm going to set this up later so it can take you there if you want. Okay, so I will submit that. Okay, and now you'll see we don't have a lot on here, so we can just go down the line. And there it is, forum. It obviously entered. Say we made a mistake. We didn't want our username to be 4Fs. We want it to be 5. Okay, so we can go to the editor. And on the editor, we meant to add an F there. We'll just add that F, submit, and now it's 5 Fs. Okay. You can change your titles. Let's say we didn't want it to be called web address. We want it to be called location. Okay, we go to our titles. We can back out web address. Set it to location and submit. And you can see it changed to location. At the same time, if you want to edit, say, CCCC, you can go to the editor and you can see it. The word location is there now. It already changed that for you. So say you want to edit this, and say they changed their name to CD, and you want to change all this. You therefore change your new password, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you could just go to clear. Okay, and they change it to what I say, CD. Okay, and your username, CD, password. Okay, and location, www.cd.com. Okay, so I can submit and you can see it change that. Okay. If I wanted to instead say I quit that site, okay, well, let's go to another site. Let's say I want to quit Amazon. I'm mad at them. I don't want to deal with them anymore. I could just go to delete. It'll delete whatever is showing on your screen here. So you don't have to go fishing through things on a separate page or Dropbox or Combo Box or any of that. You could just go to delete. It's going to bring it up in red, giving you an alert that you're about to delete something. We don't want mistakes here. If I need to double check, I can move this out of the way a little. So it says you are about to permanently delete this entry, just so you know. Okay, and that's the Amazon. It matches this entry, as you can see. So anyway, if I change my mind, I can just cancel if I brought up the wrong one or whatever. But we just said we did want to delete Amazon, so we'll double check that it is Amazon. And like I said, it's going to bring up what's on your screen. And we'll delete it. And it'll take just a second or two. When that box disappears, it's deleted. So we can go back here and check. And it's gone. It went right to C, skip day. Okay. So anyway, that pretty much covers what you can do here. Like I say, everything can be done from the face page. It's just a lot more user-friendly, functional, easier, and actually fun to use. Passwords were never so much fun. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. Consider buying the product. It's going to be $24.99, and it'll be on the site soon.